Welcome to Teddy Physics. What are the advantages of connecting electrical devices in parallel with battery instead of connecting them series? So, in general, in our houses, you are seeing fans and mixies, TVs. If you see, they are all connected in parallel only. But there we are using AC source, and in batteries where we will use DC source, direct current. That's all. So, what are the advantages if you connect in parallel? What are the advantages? Will be there. So parallel connections means how it will be. We already said parallel connections means if the resistors are said to be in parallel, if the terminals are connected to same two nodes. So this is node 1 and this is node 2, and for example this is a fan, a DC fan. So this fan works under DC current, and this is another motor, a DC motor, like that you can take it. So this is also connected to same node. So this resistor is connected to the same node, and this one also connected to the same node. So and if this I am going to give connection with the source, a DC source, like this. Now this is a circuit and the resistors are connected in parallel. So what are the advantages? If you connect it like this, what are the advantages? First advantage is all the devices receive the same voltage in parallel connection. All the devices receive the same voltage in parallel connection. Meaning what? Meaning, for example, if this is 12 volts, this fan will also receive 12 volts. This motor will also receive 12 volts. Okay, so all the devices will receive same voltage. That is first advantage. So how it becomes advantageous means, for creation, for example, if I am inventing one fan, a new method fan. Okay, like that I am inventing. So for that, what are the conditions I should follow? Means I should follow that fan must and should has to work with 12 volts. So if it is connected with 12 volts battery, it has to run. So that is the initial conditions. We can fix the initial conditions itself, like that. So for example, in your home you are having fans, right? They will work under 220 volts. 220 volts AC current. So 220 volts AC current, if you give that fan, it will work. If you give more voltages, what will happen? It will burn. Okay, so single phase, we need to give single phase. Single phase means 220 volts AC current, like that. Okay, so initial conditions, whenever you are manufacturing, initial conditions, how to design it, design itself, we are going to connect this much batteries or this much source, that much of voltage only it has to receive. If you give so much voltage, means what will happen? It will damage, like that. Initial conditions. So all the devices receive same voltage in parallel connection. So when I am manufacturing a fan, I should manufacture with if I say the real examples, real life examples, then you can understand. For example, in your home you are having fan, right? That fan will work under 220 volts AC. You are having TV, right? TV will work under 220 volts AC. Next, for example, you are having mixie, right? Mixie. So mixie will work under 220 volts AC. AC, we are having a air conditioner, that will also works to 100 volt AC. So same will get same voltages only. Then what is different? Current will different. So this will get different current, this will get different current, this will get different current, this will get different current. So currents will be different. So in this case also same. Okay, so say receive same voltage but currents will get different. Next, so what the second point is, failure of one device results does not disturb the complete circuit. For example, this one I will write here, failure of one device results does not disturb the complete circuit. For example, here the current is flowing in this direction, current is going in this direction, like this it will go. For example, fan is there, right? The fan damaged, fan is not working. So this fan, it's damaged and it's not working. but still current can flow in this path. It can still can flow. So the current can flow in this path. So initially this initial current I, capital I, is divided into two paths. This is I1 and this is I2. So if one is broken, what will happen? But still the current can flow, right? That means what? If fan is not working, though fan is not working, motor will works. Like in our real case examples, if you in your home, your fan, tube light, everything is there, right? For example, tube light is not working, but fan is rotating, right? So that is the condition here. So in parallel, these are the advantages. Okay, thank you.